Good morning, student. Now today's our topic is chapter 6, that is linear equation in one variable. So what is the meaning of linear equation? In our previous chapter we have already learned A, B, C, D up to Z. All are known as variables. All are known as variables, and numeric term, who are known as numeric term? 0, 1, 2, 3. They are known as numeric term as well as constant term. Okay. So, what is the meaning of linear equation? Linear equation means an equation involving only a linear polynomial, that is known as linear equation. I will give example. For example, 3x plus 2, 9x plus 9, 6p plus z. Here the degree of given equation is 1, means highest power will 1. Highest power will 1. So given equation is linear equation. Okay, and here only one variable is present, so that equation are known as linear equation in one variable, because here only one variable are present. Okay, only one variables, y, x, p. Okay, so that is known as linear equation in one variable. Okay, so how to solve linear equation? Always remember four terms. This part is known as LHS and this part is known as RHS. Okay, suppose 2x plus y equals to 18. So this is LHS part, means left hand side. This is RHS part, right hand side. Suppose we want to solve it. So always remember four statement. If we want to transfer positive number from left hand side to right hand side, so positive change into negative, means plus sign change into negative, minus change into plus, multiply change into divide, and divide it will change into multiply. So remember this four statement. So we can easily solve linear equation. Okay, so now start how to solve linear equation. Suppose our first question is x plus 3 equals to 5. Here variable term we have to find the value of x, so write x as it is. Here we have to write 5 as it is. Non-variable term we have to shift LHS side to RHS side. Okay, so move it. Plus 3 change into minus 3, and 5 minus 3 we will get plus 2. This is our answer. Okay. Now the second question is, suppose 3x equals to 21. Okay, 3x equals to 21. So how to solve it? Here 3 into x equals to 21. 3 is in multiply, it is shift with divide sign, means 21 by 3. 3 sevens are 21. So our answer will x equals to 7. Now third question, suppose 7x minus 6 equals to 1. So how to solve it? Here variable term write as it is, 1 copy as it is, minus 6 move it with plus sign, because here 6 present with negative sign, means minus sign, so write with positive sign, means plus sign. 6 plus 1 7. 7 is in multiply, it is changed into divide. 7 ones are 7. So our answer is x equals to 1. Okay. So this equation is related to plus. This is related to multiply. This is related to minus. Okay. Now, I will take 2 or 3 more examples. Suppose our equation is x by 3 plus 4 equals to 8. First variable term we have to write as it is, x by 3. 8 copy as it is. Only we have to shift without variable term. So plus 4, here present plus 4, change into minus 4. Okay, x by 3 write as it is. 8 minus 4 we will get 4. 3 is in divide, so it is changed into multiply. 4 into 3, 3 4s are 12. Did you get it? Okay. So by this method we can solve the linear equation. Now our fifth question is, suppose variables are present in both sides, LHS side as well as RHS side. So suppose our question is 6x plus 2 and here 2x plus 10. Okay. So 6x and 2x, both terms present with variable term. So same term we have to shift in one side and without variable term we have to shift in other side. Okay. So 6x write as it is. Variable term, second variable term is 2x with plus sign. So change into minus. Means we have to write minus 2x. 10 copy as it is. Here without variable term is 2 plus 2 change into minus 2. 6x minus 2x, that is 4x. 10 minus 2 means 8. X equals to 4 is in multiply, change into divide. 8 by 4, 4 2s are 8. So our answer is x equals to 2. Is it clear? Okay. Now, our next question will, suppose our question is 4x plus 2. 4x plus 2 equals to 3x plus 21. 3x plus 21. So how to solve it? In the case of this type of term, first we have to multiply 4 with x, again 4 multiply with 2. 4 into x. Apply plus sign, 4 into 2. Copy LHS term as it is. Okay. 4x. 4 2s are 8. 3x plus 21. Okay. Our next step is, we have to separate all variables term in one side and without variable term in other side. So 4x variable term, 3x we have to write minus 3. 21 write as it is, plus 8 shift here. Okay. So here all variable terms are present, here without variable terms are present. 4x minus 3x we will get x. 21 minus 8. Okay. So जब हम 21 को माइनस कर दे, 21 minus 8, 21 minus 8 आपका होगा 13. So we will get x equals to 13. This is our final answer. I will take one more example. Suppose our question is 14 2x minus 3 minus 60 x equals to 5 minus 10 minus 6x. Okay, and we can also write 15 minus 9x. Okay, suppose this is our question. Okay, so how to solve it? First we have to multiply 14 with 2 and 14 with 3. So 14 into 2, 14 2s are 28. 14 into 3. Now copy 16 as it is. Here multiply 5 with 15. Again multiply 5 with 9. 15 5s are 75. 5 9s are 45. Okay. Here 28x and 60x. Plus minus minus. So 60 minus 28. 60 minus 28 we will get 32 with minus, because plus minus minus sign from greater number, and here greater number is 60. So we have to apply negative sign, means minus sign. Okay, so write 32x in the place of 22x and 60x. 22x and 60x minus 32x minus 42. 75 minus 45. Next step, we have to separate variable terms in one side. 32x minus 45 means plus 45x. 75 copy as it is, plus 42. This is without variable term, so shift in other side, plus 42. Okay, plus minus minus. So we have to write sign with greater number. Greater number sign is plus. 5 minus 2 3, 4 minus 3 1, means 13x. Here 5 2 7, 7 4 11. 13 is in multiply, change into divide. 13 9s are. So x equals to 9. I think all students easily solve linear equations in one variable, because I am taking all types of example in your given class. Okay, so thank you.